If you're like me and you've been wondering how you can get a virtual Mexican pesos account, then this video is for you. Hi, I am Victor Elera from Elera Talks. Here on my channel, I talk about fintech. I not only research, but I also test these products to make sure that it's working perfectly fine before recommending them to you. And this video is going to teach you how to open an account in the Mexican pesos. All right, let's get right into it.
So guys, this is the interface of the Uglycash app. Of course, the first thing to do is sign up, and they'll ask you for a referral code. You just have to write my name, Elera, Elera, Elera. There you have it. And then you register your account. Verify your account with your BVN and your NIN to verify your account. And you also get a bonus for adding me as your referral. Right, you see I already have the bonus and you get 8% annual interest. So just again, this is name Elera, my ugly cat. So after that, you just need to click on app and you click on Mexican account. Although you can open a US bank account, a Euro bank account, but as we already know, a lot of apps already offer that. Yes, so when you click on open, you just have to wait for a while. They're going to verify your details, and if the team needs any more information, they'll reach out to you via your email. Just cooperate and provide every information they request, and your account is going to be ready. So for mine, it took a while. I was quite patient, but it was worth the wait, I tell you, because my transactions were instant. I'm just going to show you one now. So I asked my friend to send me $10 to test it as 200 pesos, and you can see the transaction there on 30th August 5:06 p.m. I love to test every app or any fintech product I recommend. 5:06 p.m. You can see I'm just going to show you when she sent me the receipt. Okay, let's go to WhatsApp. Yes, so I'm just gonna look for true. This is the chat. Just watch. Wow. Instant. 5:06. So this same minute I got it in my Uglycash. Now tell me that's not amazing. That's Saturday. Salvador in Spanish. Yeah, my device is in Spanish. But I'm just trying to tell you that the app is fast, is effective, and I've tested it. It has worked for me. I encourage you to sign up to enjoy the benefits too.
This video gave you value, kindly subscribe. And to my existing subscribers, thank you so much. It's because of you that I am back here sharing the good news of Uglycash. Your bank won't do this.